Hi guys, today I'll be showing you one of the best ways to transfer your photos from your iPhone or iPad to your computer. This method makes use of an app called DearMob iPhone Manager. Here, this is what it looks like. Once you open this app, just plug in your device. Like you can see here, I just plug in my device. Let me remove it and re-plug in. As you can see, my iPhone is iPhone 12 Pro Max. It's 128 gigabytes and the free space is 31 gigabyte left. So there are lots of features that this app provides. You can transfer photos, music, videos, movie, backup, restore, copy back and forth the file. You can turn it into a flash drive and you can also copy contact and so on. There are a lot more features that you can do with this app, but the one I'm going to show you today is transfer photo. So click on photo here. It starts loading my photos. So these are all my photos on my camera roll. It even shows me the recently deleted photos that I have, the selfie, the favorite, the portrait, the live photos, the screenshot, and so on. So you can select to transfer or copy any photos onto your computer. In my case, let me just copy this whole camera roll photos here. So if I want to copy all of it, I just click on select all here. It will automatically select all of it. You have the option to delete or export. If you click on this, you will see that you can export and then convert it to JPG, which is a standard photo format, or just leave it as HEIC. This is the format of Apple photos. So I don't want to convert it, so I just click on export only. One more thing I forgot to mention is that you can also export with encryption. If you tick this will pop up and ask you to agree with the encryption and blah blah blah. You can see it say already know losing the password for encryption leads to encrypted file unable to recover. So you need to accept this and type in the password. After you type in the password, whatever the photo that you have transferred from your iPhone will be encrypted. The only way to open it, to see it, is to use the right password. So you can encrypt all your photos and videos from your device so no one can view it or see it. They only can see it using the right password. That's a really cool feature as well. But if you just only want to transfer it without having to type in the password, then don't tick this. Just leave it like that. Click on export again. So you just click this first. Click on export, not export HEIC to JPG, but you can do so as well if you only want JPG to like view in all kind of devices, both on Mac and Windows computer. But because I'm using Mac, so I just click on export here, and it will ask me to select location where I want to save the file. I would just select it on desktop and I click open, and it will start exporting photos. It won't take long because I don't have a lot of photos, but if you have like thousands of photos, it would take a while. Now it's done. These are my photos, and you can see the ending of the photo is HEIC, the original format. And you can see this app is really cool. It has lots and lots of features that you can explore, but today I only show you how to transfer photos. If you are interested in this app, the link is in the description. You can check the app out. They're currently having a promotion, so you can get some discounts from it by clicking on shop now here. So you can see here they have multiple options for you to choose. They have the premium 365, so this is for a 1-year subscription. You can use up to 3 Macs. The price is $29.95. Lifetime license $39.95, and family license you can use between 3 to 5 Mac. The price is $59.95. So you can choose the one that is best suited for you. So you can see at the top here it supports both Macs and Windows computer. If you're using Windows, of course, switch to Windows and purchase it. And if you're using Mac computer, of course, download the Mac version. So thank you so much guys. This is DearMob iPhone Manager, one of the best alternatives to transfer photos from your iPhone or iPad to your computer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.